Well, I'm back at it again, repairing pipes under giant tree roots. This time I got a little lucky. What you're looking at there is the end of the lateral line. That's a 3/4 inch pipe, and that's the end L at the end of the lateral line. Fortunately, I can cut the pipe over here and install another end L, and we'll be able to make this repair. But as you can see, the roots have grown all the way into that pipe. That's where they're going. So I'll be cutting all that out of the way when I get the pipe cut so that I can stop the roots from growing in this direction. And then we'll have this pipe repaired. And there it is, all repaired. Don't worry, I'll show you what it looked like after I cut out the root. Yep, now if we pull out this pipe, the tree grew perfectly around it. And as you can see, it is now working. As this zone closes and goes down, the valve's actually right there. We're good to go.